Weather is the certain conditions of a certain place at a certain time. We kept the journal of the wind, barometric pressure, humidity, temperature, and clouds every day at 12:30.
Hygrometer is a tool that we use to measure relative humidity. Relative humidity is the amount of water in the air at a certain time.
A sling hygrometer measures the humidity by finding the difference between the wet and the dry bulbs. The evaporation of the water from the wet bulb causes the thermometers to register different temperatures.
Since the amount of water that can evaporate depends on the humidity, this can be used to determine the relative humidity of the air.
Barometric pressure is the pressure of the atmosphere on Earth. A barometer measures this pressure in inches of mercury. When air pressure increases, it causes the water in the bottom of the glass to go down and the water in the top of the glass to go up. High pressure means clear skies because warm air is rising. Low pressure can mean storms because cool air is sinking. Wind is caused by air moving from an area of high pressure to an area of low pressure. We measure wind direction and speed using a wind vane and an anemometer.
Wind affects the weather through storms like tornadoes and hurricanes, plus dust storms, wind chill, humidity, and precipitation.
Clouds are formed when water vapor condenses in cool, low-pressure air.
Some types of clouds are cirrus, high, wispy clouds, cumulus, fluffy clouds, stratus, a sheet of cloud. Stratocumulus equals a sheet of puffy clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds, storms flat-topped like an anvil.
Storms fronts occur when warm air and cold air meet. A hurricane is a storm that forms over water. It has high wind speeds and can cause damage through heavy rain and storm surge.
A hurricane forms when a thunderstorm forms over water. A cycle of warm and cool air begins to spin with the rotation of the earth.
A tornado is a tube of spinning air. When it touches down, it causes great damage. Tornadoes form when warm and cool air begins spinning in a horizontal cycle close to the ground. Updrafts cause it to become vertical, connecting the ground and the storm.